Welcome to the Honest Auto Reviews. First, I need 1K likes in this video. Please support me. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most unique camper conversions out there, the Kenworth T2000 Camper. At first glance, you might think it's just another powerful semi-truck, but take a step closer and you'll see it's been completely transformed into a luxurious home on wheels. The Kenworth T2000 was originally designed for long-haul trucking, with aerodynamics and driver comfort in mind. But some owners have taken it to the next level, turning it into the ultimate road trip machine. Starting with the exterior, the sleek, curved lines of the T2000 still stand out, even compared to more modern trucks. It's built tough, with a heavy-duty chassis and a massive engine, often a Cummins or a Caterpillar, capable of pulling not just the camper body, but anything else you want to tow. Some builds feature custom paint jobs, extended sleeper, cabs, and huge side storage compartments, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. Stepping inside, you'd be surprised at how much space is packed into this rig. Many T2000 camper conversions come with a full-size bed, a small but functional kitchenette, a dining area that doubles as a workstation, and even a compact bathroom with a shower. The ceiling height is impressive, giving you that spacious feeling you wouldn't expect from a truck. High-quality materials like real wood finishes, leather seating, and modern appliances make it feel more like a luxury tiny home than a truck sleeper. In terms of driving, the Kenworth T2000 still handles like a pro. Thanks to its original design focused on driver comfort, the cab is quiet, the ride is smooth, and the visibility is excellent. Long-distance driving becomes a pleasure, not a chore. And because it's built to last millions of miles, you can count on reliability even on the longest trips. Of course, fuel consumption isn't exactly light. You're still driving a big rig. But for those who prioritize comfort, space, and durability over economy, the T2000 camper is an absolute dream. Plus, many owners add extra tanks and solar setups, making it easier to stay off the grid for longer periods. Overall, the Kenworth T2000 camper is a bold choice for those who want to take road tripping to the next level. It's big, powerful, comfortable, and built to conquer the open road with style. If you're looking for something that stands out from the usual RV crowd, this just might be the ultimate adventure vehicle. Enjoy your journey and subscribe my channel.